राजधानी पणजेंत 31 मे मेरेन गाडयांक पे पार्किंग शुल्क भरचो पडचो ना. पणजेंत स्मार्ट सिटी खाला चालू आशिल्ल्या कामांच्या फाटभुंयेर पणजे महापालिकेन हो निर्णय घेतला. महापालिकेच्या ह्या निर्णयाक लागून पणजेंत वचपी आनी येवपी हजारांनी लोकांक सुटका मेळ्ळ्या. स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम पणजेंत चडशा रस्त्यांचेर सुरू आसा, ताका लागून लोकांक त्रास सोंसचे पडटाले. देखून स्मार्ट सिटीची कामां पुराय करपा खातीर दिल्ल्या 31 मे मेरेनच्या काळा मेरेन चालकां कडल्यान पे पार्किंग शुल्क घेवचे नात, असो निर्णय महापालिकेचो महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हाणें घेतला.
See, now we had gone on inspection now, no? Yesterday we had gone actually just to check our drainage system and everything also with Smart City MD. Now what we've seen was a lot of the roads have been closed quickly without anyone's notice. Now even in the future also now Smart City is going to go ahead very quickly with their work. So it will bring a lot of inconvenience to people. So now we don't want to add to that burden also now. So what we're doing is I've told the contractor to basically stop pay parking from tomorrow until the Smart City project is complete on May 31st. So that we've done as this just to support the people also. Now we know everyone has been very inconvenienced with the work. So we don't want to add to any of that also now. So because of that, see now we have been CS has been having regular meetings with Smart City MD every Tuesday. They have the meetings. MD also now has been going on the field very regularly also. Now work has picked up. So we are expecting the work to get done on 31st of May also.